Hi guys, it's Richard the Electrician here. Okie dokes. This short video is to give you a brief outline on the changes that are happening next year in regard to the fire alarms in every house in Scotland. If you're a landlord or you own your house, you'll need to comply with these regulations. You will need an interlinked fire detection system. In every circulation space, i.e. your hallways or your landings in your house, you will need a smoke detector. In your living room, or the room that you deem to be spending most of your living time in, you will need a smoke detector also. And in the kitchen, you will need a heat detector. These alarms need to be interlinked. If one goes off, they all go off. Now, this can be done by either hard wiring or it can be done by radio frequency, or a mixture of both, which is called a hybrid system, which in general is what we do a lot of. As well as your interlinked fire detection system in your house, you'll need to fit carbon monoxide alarms. These have to be fitted in any room that you have or compartment that contains a fossil fuel or a multi-fuel burning appliance. For example, an oil-fired central heating boiler, your gas hob, your gas oven, your multi-fuel stove, logs, coal. Each one of those you will need to fit a carbon monoxide detector in that room. If the flue from that appliance passes by a bedroom or other room or compartment in your house, you will need to fit a carbon monoxide detector also. I'll give you an example. If you have a log burning fire downstairs in your living room and a bedroom above, and the flue passes by or passes through that room, you will need to fit a CO detector at the bed head height, if that is a bedroom. The smoke detectors you will fit will have a 10-year lithium-ion battery, which doesn't need to be changed, which is a good thing, and be tamper-proof. At the end of the installation, I will issue you with 2 certificates. One is to do with the electrical installation or the minor works that's been done to your existing smoke alarm mains system, and also a cert for the design, commission and installation of your fire detection system. You'll be given a copy of those when the project's complete, and I will keep a copy for my records. If you want to know more about the changes that are going to come into force next year, you can contact me by visiting my website, which will direct you to my email and phone contact details. Cheers, take care.